Sloths are the slowest mammal in the world. Why is that? In this presentation, I'm going to tell you why they are the slowest mammal, and I'm going to list out the specific species of sloths. I've been fascinated about sloths for so long, and I've done so much research on them these past few weeks. Sloths are fun and playful, and they're so interesting to learn about. First, I'm going to tell you the different types of sloths, and then I'm going to tell you why they are so slow. So first off, there are 6 species of sloths that live throughout Central America and Northern South America. I'm going to list the 2 main types for you today. And according to Bradford 2018, the 2 main types of sloths are 3-toed sloths and 2-toed sloths. 3-toed sloths are about 23 to 27 inches in length, and they weigh about 18 pounds. This is like the size of a medium dog. 2-toed sloths are a little bit bigger than that, but they still share the same features. Sloths have distinct features that you can tell apart from any other animal. All the sloths have 3 to 4 inches of claws that they use to hang onto their branches all day long. Sloths generally live 25 to 30 years, but captive sloths can live up to their 40s. In 2017, in an Australian zoo, their sloth lived up to 43 years old. Sloths have very interesting habitat styles. They can stay in the same tree their entire life, but they can move trees if they want to, and they only come down once a week to use the bathroom. Now that I've explained some qualities about sloths, I'm going to explain why sloths are so slow. First off, sloths have low metabolic rates, and they have no means for using up their energy, which makes them the world's slowest mammal. According to Garcia 2016, sloths have minimum energy usage. Again, sloths stay in their canopy trees almost their whole life, which is an example of their low means of use of energy. Sloths can also save energy by changing their internal body temperatures. They can fluctuate their body temperature about 5 degrees Celsius, which makes them save a lot of energy. And according to Smithsonian Zoo and Biology Institute 2019, sloths have very low metabolic rates. Their metabolic rate is only about 40 to 45% of what it should be for their body weight. And sloths have low leafy calorie diets, and that makes them also have very low metabolic rates. Sloths are so slow that they actually have creatures growing on their fur. A green algae grows on them, which camouflages them into the green canopy trees. This algae causes ticks, mites, beetles, and any other kind of little creature you could think of. This algae creates its own ecosystem on the sloth's back. There are also unique species that live in this ecosystem. For instance, there is a sloth moth that you can only find on the sloth's fur. In my presentation, I've informed you with the different types of sloths and the different qualities of sloths and why they are so slow. After hearing my speech, I hope that you all learned a little bit more about sloths and want to find out more about these creatures.